One of the most unforgettable experiences we had in Boracay was definitely parasailing. Honestly, before trying it, halo-halo talaga yung nararamdaman namin. Excited, nervous, and curious at the same time because first time namin gagawin yung activity na to. Basta pag pumunta kayo ng Boracay, marami nag-o-offer ng mga activities. So after registering, the staff explained the basic safety instructions and gave us our life jackets and harness. Habang suot namin yung equipment, doon na medyo kinakabahan kasi parang mas magiging real na yung experience. Pagdating nyo naman sa platform, the staff quickly attached the harness to the parachute. Sinabi din nila na mag-relax lang at huwag kakabahan. Pero honestly, habang naghihintay kami, kinakabahan talaga kami ng sobra. Then suddenly, unti-unti nang umaandar yung speedboat. At first, syempre, kalma lang at mabagal lang. Pero after a few seconds, bigla na lang kaming umaangat. Literal na pataas ng pataas habang lumalakas yung hangin. Yung feeling nung first few seconds, parang nahulog yung kaluluwa namin sa kaba at excitement. But after a while, everything became peaceful. Habang nasa taas kami, sobrang surreal ng view. We could see the clear blue water of Boracay, the white sand shoreline, yung maliit na boats, and even the people walking sa beach. From up there, sobrang ganda pala talaga ng Boracay. Tahimik yung moment except for the sound of the wind and the boat below us. Nakakatuwa kasi sobrang na-enjoy ng mami ko. Nakakatuwa rin because habang nasa ere kami, doon namin na-feel yung mix ng adrenaline and peace at the same time. Hindi ito katulad ng ibang extreme rides na puro takot lang. Parasailing felt relaxing and exciting at once. There were moments na medyo malakas yung hangin kaya napapasigaw kami, especially kapag medyo gumagalaw yung parachute sa taas. Pero habang tumatagal, mas lalo naming na-enjoy yung experience. Napapalitan nyo ka ba ng amazement? Honestly, isa ito sa mga activities na hindi kayang ipakita fully sa camera kahit gaano kaganda yung videos. Iba pa rin kapag ikaw mismo yung nasa taas. Flying above the ocean while seeing Boracay from a different perspective. After several minutes, slowly na kaming binababa pabalik sa platform. And pagbaba namin, automatic yung tawa and kwentuhan agad because we couldn't believe na nagawa namin siya. Yung dating kinakabahan kami before take off, biglang naging gusto ko ulit. Parasailing in Boracay became one of our favorite experiences during the trip. It was fun, thrilling, peaceful, and memorable all at the same time.
Ay, God. Thank you po.
Thank you, Lord.
Umabot
Thank you,
kami sa
Lord.
ganitong state ng buhay.
Nakakapag-Boracay na po
afford
kami.
na namin mag-Boracay. Dati hindi ko afford mag-field trip. Woo! Dati wala akong pambili ng Asla paper.
Hindi nga tayo nakapag-beach dati eh, di ba?
Ngayon nakakapag-Boracay na. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord!
Woo! Sarap-sarap na buhay.
Thank you, Lord! Woo! Grabe. Ang saya. Hindi ka ba't kinakabahan si Sophie eh?
Grabe yung view. Nakatabi, guys.
Grabe.
Ay, nakaano siya. Parang nahihilo na siya.
Less lonely, one less lonely girl. Hangin.
Diba? Look at the view, guys. Wow!
Magkwento ka nga. Eh, nung nakaraan kami ni Sam, yan din yung hawak namin, DJI lang.
DJI lang din.
Oo.
Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ganda. Woo! Ang sarap-sarap mabuhay!